How to pin a tab in Safari on Mac. If there are websites you visit every single day, like Gmail, Notion, etc., you can pin them in Safari so they are always there when you open the browser. To pin a tab, you can do it in 3 ways. Open the website you want to pin and then right-click the tab which you want to pin, obviously, and at the top you will find Pin tab. The tab shrinks down to just a small icon on the left side of your tab bar and stays here permanently. Another way how you can pin tabs, just grab that tab and move it to the left side until it gets shrinked, and just release your mouse and the tab was pinned successfully. You can do this multiple times, as you can see, and there is only the icon. To unpin it, just grab it and place it to the area of the tab. And the third way how you can do it, open the tab Safari and at the top go to Window in your top menu bar and here find Pin tab. So these were 3 ways how you can pin a tab in your Safari on Mac. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe and see you next time.